Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to install the drip button from GKTECH. So the first thing, take this boot out, pretty straightforward. Move that to a side. Just get like a razor blade or a sharp knife, and please be careful, don't get hurt. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out all these stitches, the thread right here on the side. And then just peel the leather. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this rubber piece right in the middle and just split right open. Again, be careful. I don't have razor blades, so you know, I'm just going to use whatever I have available with me. Alright, and then just use your strength and, you know, just get it out. Just like that. Here you go. Okay, so if you can see this tab right here that holding the spring in there, that tab has to come out. So just trying to get a flathead or any flat object, you can just ply it out. You do that for both sides. So, and this thing right here, this thing has to come out. It has a little tab right there. Since I can't find a flathead, I'm just gonna do I just want a scissor and hope that works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ply this tab out just a little bit. You can see there's a spring right there. Alright, so just ply it out just a little bit. That way you get access to the spring and push the spring out. Alright. Okay. Now the spring is out. So you do the same thing to the other side. There you go. Alright, so as soon as you got the both tab out and push the spring up, it should just drop right in. Alright, so now there is no, the spring is not holding the trigger anymore, so it should just drop down freely. So at this point, now you can put the drip button, just push it in there. Just, you don't have to be super tight, but it stays in pretty good now. So once you push it in there, alright, so the only time that it will lock the handle is push the drip button up. Alright, push it up. There you go. Now it's locked. Just gonna put this handle back on. Even though I don't need it, but you know. Put it back. Now you have it. I can drift now. Drift button is successfully. It's very easy to install, and I'm pretty happy about it. And so I'm just waiting for the GKTECH handle. I'm gonna put the parts, the part number on the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, then please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. And so this is it. Until next time.